Hello, hello. Yesterday I went to Ballenitas Beach in Santa Elena, Ecuador. And it was an amazing experience because I found a boardwalk where you can take cool photos, and also if you want to eat something, there's a lot of restaurant there. So I evidence no problem. There's not a lot of lifeguards, so if you want to go there with your kid, you must take care of them because sometimes the tide could change immediately and it will represent some problem for them. And also when I was walking nearby of this place, I saw a group called Recoil picking up the trash. I joined to help them, and at the end, they gave me this bottle of water made from recycled materials. And it was an honor to work with them. And I believe that um, every little bit of help can make a difference in saving our country and contributed to make a better place for our future generations. So, have you have a wonderful day. Bye.